море песок, все хорошо. У меня есть коса, кажись, мой день не буду твоей. Море песок, все хорошо. У меня есть коса, кажись, мой день.
Просыпаюсь от того, что я еще не помер. Я не знаю, что такое рандом, быть на работу. Я не знаю, что такое рандом, быть на учебу. Мы с ребятами на сборке закрутили новый джойнт. Они все поголовно говорят, не я бездельник. В ухо залетело, что сегодня понедельник. Я давно забыла, что такое день недели. Парень, замолчи и посмотри на мои дни. Но я не гоняюсь за головой, просто сделал так, что деньги сами бегали ко мне. Я перестал копить на жизнь настоящего сегодня, братик, это мой девиз. Я не подпускаю к себе тех сук, что в надежде на отметку мой хует сосу. За злак не получится не то, что сум, сука, даже поцелуй для нее зажму.
Море песок, все хорошо. У меня есть коса, кажись, мой день не буду твоей. Море песок, все хорошо. У меня есть коса, кажись, мой день не буду твоей. Я научился видеть настоящее. Я стал бояться, что сыграю в ящик. А видеть, кто хорош даже без денег. А видеть, кто богатенький бездельник. Я научился думать как обманщик и забивать на всех, кто тебя парит. Я научился видеть другой мир. Я научился думать настоящий.
Я вторые сутки на ногах писа. У меня хороший говор и болит весна. Я не помню, где я был, но моя совесть киса. Если захотел уснуть, то закурю косяк. Буду видеть самый приятный сон и буду слышать самый приятный сон. А рядом снова будет самый лучший клон.
В глазах я вижу зеленый. Море песок, все хорошо. У меня есть коса, кажись, мой день не буду твоей. Море песок, все хорошо. У меня есть коса, кажись, мой день не буду твоей.
Буква Ю.
Захожу в ВК, чтоб увидеть ее фото. На ее ногах йоджи Ямамото. Захожу в ВК, чтоб увидеть ее фото. На ее ногах йоджи Ямамото. Но смотря на ее страницу, вижу лайки. Неизвестный профиль дарит ей подарки. Перехожу я на его ВК и вижу, что у него статус влюблена. Неужели они лесбиянки? Может, я не прав и это пранки, но это факты, и я немного огорчен. Закрываю ноутбук, день мой завершен. Захожу в ВК, чтоб увидеть ее фото. На ее ногах йоджи Ямамото. Захожу в ВК, чтоб увидеть ее фото. На ее ногах йоджи Ямамото. Захожу в ВК, чтоб увидеть ее фото. На ее ногах йоджи Ямамото. Захожу в ВК, чтоб увидеть ее фото. На ее ногах йоджи Ямамото.
I don't like me either.
I'd rather be dead than talk to you again. Hang out of bed, I still can't get over it. I'd rather be dead than talk to you again. I can't get out of bed, you're playing in my head. I'd rather be dead than talk to you again. Hang out of bed, I still can't get over it. I'd rather be dead than talk to you again. I can't get out of bed, you're playing in my head.
I was broke as hell, tryna fuck. but it's hard to do that when I'm always so stressed. There's nowhere I wanna go, no, there's nothing I wanna see. There's nothing I wanna do except crash my car into a tree. I'm so bored and life's not fun. Now I hate everything and I'm so burned out. I'm so bored and my life sucks. Now I just wanna lay down and cry my eyes out. So numb and feeling so dead. I wanna enjoy the things I like again, but I messed up and everything hurts. I'm starting to think things only get worse. There's nowhere I wanna go, no, there's nothing I wanna see. There's nothing I wanna do except crash my car into a tree. I'm so bored and life's not fun. Now I hate everything and I'm so burned out. I'm so bored and my life sucks. Now I just wanna lay down and cry my eyes out now.
I want the money, I don't care about this. In the night there's no faces. Smirnoff Ice in the park, your list. I'm walking around in the Matrix. Stockholm Syndrome, they fell in love with the kid. Love the way he keep it safe, yeah. I seen so many souls lost in a wind. Stop seeing hatred. Drop top, cop car, bitch I fuck a cop car. Lock jaw, wanna be some rock stars. Hot box, you know this is not hard. Summertime, see the sign, walk with you and watch our pit bulls, pit dogs, running through the asphalt. Running around the beach and I feel like David Hasselhoff. Nice dreams, bitch I get some nice dreams. In the summertime and these girls melting like ice cream. Yeah, I want the money, I don't care about this. In the night there's no faces. Smirnoff Ice in the park, your list. I'm walking around in the Matrix. Stockholm Syndrome, they fell in love with the kid. Love the way he keep it safe, yeah. I see so many souls lost in a wind. Stop seeing hatred.
Кто такой Зик? блядь, опять
Ёбаный в рот, блядь. Сейчас соседи придут, сука. Люблю.
Давай набьем с тобой на пальцем бесконечность. Давай с тобой будем чем-то вечным. Вещи и сны, наш буллет, лайм и мята. Холод за окном, теплая кровать. Давай с тобой брызгать в ебло холодным душем. Давай страсти друг друга задушим. Давай устроим вписку с героином и закажем в агентстве одну могилу на двоих. Это волшебное время меня скружило. Твой переходный возраст, моя шизофрения. Я знаю, может, это наши последние вздохи. Засыпая, я мечтаю, что мы вместе сдохнем. Давай с тобой будем, как Денис и Катя. Будем стрелять в ментов на хате. Давай с тобой вместе подсядем на пёт. Будем записывать в блокнот наш новый полет.
Сигареты, ЛД, компакт.
Аня Долгова.
don't care about you, don't care about you. I don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about you. I don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about you. I don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about I don't care about you, don't care about you. I don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about you, don't care about you. Don't care about you. Don't care about you.
feels the same, cause I'm so used to being held. Friends would be concerned at me, but never would I tell that I was getting hurt by the only one I ever loved, the one who was created to be sent to me from above. I still don't know what went wrong or why we had to end. Not only were you my baby, but you were my best friend. And now it seems like I've lost everything I ever had, everything we're living for, flying away from my hands. Living every day, questioning myself, the same thing. You left without a reason, left me here reminiscing. Remember the days we used to share, when you told me that always and forever you would care. Now you left me alone, holding on to the phone, hoping things would go back to how it was long ago. Tell me why, what made you decide to leave me back? Tell me why, there was nothing that you didn't have. Tell me why. Back when we was younger, we both each made a promise, telling each other that we would always be honest of how we felt, what we thought. And soon that day came, you took my hand, asked me out and walked together in the rain. We spent hours on the phone, we were close like white on rice, playing around, asking me to one day be your wife. When they saw you, they saw me standing right next to you, matching every day, matching clothes, matching hat and shoes. Always dedicating songs we hear to each other, always thinking that all of those days would last forever. Tell me why everything had to come to this. You don't understand, there's so much things that I miss. Remember the days we used to share, when you told me that always and forever you would care. Now you left me alone, holding on to the phone, hoping things would go back to how it was long ago. Tell me why, what made you decide to leave me back? Tell me why, there was nothing that you didn't have. Tell me why. Whatever happened to the promises you made? Whatever happened to the future you wanted to create? Now it's all down the drain, all the times we spent wasted. Whenever we had problems, we had always fixed and saved it. So why the change of heart? Tell me why are we apart, when you had told me before that you had loved me since the start? Tell me why you suddenly wanna leave our past behind. Baby, all I'm asking you is to please tell me why. Tell me why, tell me why. There's so much pain for me to hide inside, but you don't even notice, so there's no use to hide. I miss the feelings you gave me when you looked into my eyes, and now when I remember the moment, all I do is cry. The day you left, baby, you took my dreams with you. I can't even rebuild them, cause I'm standing alone without you. Stop giving me the stories, cause I know that they're lies. Just open your heart, look into my eyes and tell me why. Tell me why, tell me why. Remember the days we used to share, when you told me that always and forever you would care. Now you left me alone, holding on to the phone, hoping things would go back to how it was long ago. Tell me why, what made you decide to leave me back? Tell me why, there was nothing that you didn't have. Tell me why. Remember the days we used to share, when you told me that always and forever you would care. Now you left me alone, holding on to the phone, hoping things would go back to how it was long ago. Tell me why, what made you decide to leave me back? Tell me why, there was nothing that you didn't have. Tell me why.